In this video, we will discuss the advantages of BPO for the travel industry. This video is brought to you by Atlas Relco, one of the leading BPO company in India. The current marketplace is brutally competitive, and that's even more in the case of travel businesses. Travel and tourism revolve around the creative, memorable experiences for customers, and businesses that are unable to do that on their own are finding it hard to sustain in this volatile market. This explains why the industry is relying more and more on BPO services. The BPO market for the travel and hospitality sector has continued to expand in recent years. In 2018, the market registered 10 to 12% growth, reaching around 4.5 to 5 billion US dollars. The biggest contributor to this growth was contact centers. Taking the largest share of the pie, contact center outsourcing is at the forefront of BPO services within the travel industry. However, other BPO services such as accounting, back office, and web designing projects are also catching up. Given this increasing demand, one thing becomes very obvious. There is a definite value addition that BPO is bringing to the travel and tourism industry. If you're a business operating within a travel sector, you should take a note of these positives as they could greatly benefit your business operations. Now let's discuss why BPO is the decisive factor. Customer support is one of the decisive factors for success in travel and tourism industry. Just one poor customer experience is enough for 80% of the clients to make them shun your business and services. Given the cutthroat competition in this space, outsourcing can give you the much needed edge for your business. The rise of sites like TripAdvisor has given a platform to customers where they can openly share their opinions, both good or bad. People are going to check out what users have to say about your services before trying themselves. One bad review can do major damage to image of your business. So basically, you can't afford to go wrong. By offering certain business processes to professional BPO service providers, you can ensure that you are delivering nothing but the best customer experience to your clients at a marginal cost. Now let's discuss the importance of creating exceptional customer experiences. Tourists don't always plan each and every aspect of their travel. Instead of eyeing specific destinations, many prefer to not know where they are headed and to add the element of surprise and wonder to their trip. This way of traveling comes within its own challenges. Not to mention, every tour operator has their own version of itineraries and packages. It adds further complexity to task that is sufficiently complex to begin with. This is where your business needs the services of trained executives of professional contact centers. The individuals working at these contact centers are highly knowledgeable and are able to deliver great value to their customers. They are able to consult their clients and assist them in selecting the most appropriate itinerary so that their experience could be as satisfying as possible. By asking clients their preferences and needs, customer support executives in the travel-oriented BPOs are able to craft a better experience for them. Everything in itinerary to the package is in accordance with the dates, destinations, and budget preferred by the clients. Now let's see how the BPO industry makes travel more alluring. This is probably the most understand value that the BPO is bringing to the travel industry. Travel call centers train their executives to become competent at presenting travel excursions, adventure activities, and other touring experiences in convincing manner that would evoke the curiosity of individuals. The travel industry is one of the most challenging sectors when it comes to attracting new clients. Having the expertise to make travel more alluring can go a long way in benefiting your travel business. Executives at offshore contact centers are often well informed about the local markets, culture, geography, and other details of the destination in question. It allows them to portray a beautiful verbal picture of the travel experience, poking the curiosity of prospective client about the destination. Travel contact center executives are able to invoke a strong emotional response in customers, which is far more effective than pictures, videos, and all other aspects that your sales and marketing team would have come up with. It encourages the clients to choose your services over your competitors. Experts at call centers often provide valuable tips to clients. Tourists appreciate those tips as it ends up further enhancing the travel experience. For instance, a tourist traveling to Paris, he or she might find the information about Eiffel Tower and the free salsa dancing meetups very useful. With new entrants in the market, the travel and tourism space is getting more saturated and competitive. Your business cannot compete without improving and upscaling its efficiency and cost effectiveness. This is exactly what BPO would help you with. Outsourcing services such as customer support can prove incredibly advantageous in the long run for your business. Now, when it comes to selecting BPO company for your business, I recommend considering Atlas Relco in Goa, India. The company gives innovative solutions in the BPO industry. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.